Hi everybody, this is Becky. I know it's been a while, but I wanted to do a reveal. I got asked to be on the design team for Bygones Variety Shop, Kelly Snow's shop. She also runs the Junk Journal Junkies etc. group on Facebook, and I'll have all the links down below. But this is our first month and the first design team package. So I haven't looked in it. I just got it a few minutes ago, and I cut the end off so that I could open it without any trouble. So are you guys ready? I'm excited. Okay. Oh, candy. Ooh, Harry and David's. They're yummy. Cool. I hope I don't have to use that in the design, because I plan on eating it. Paper tickets. These are cool. All these things that she is sending us are available in her shop. So again, I'll put the link down below so you guys can check it out. But here are some tickets. Please open on YouTube, then post a group. Oh, okay. Cute packaging. Love the tissue paper. It's from a pattern, a sewing pattern, and I will definitely use that. And apparently she expects you to be smarter than the package to get this off. Forget it. I'm just gonna scooch it. Oh, untangle it later. That's just wrong, Kelly. Oh, here's a little note. Let me see. Oh, it's a list of everything. White and gold items. Should be able to use for Valentine's. And anyway, I'll read that later. I was probably supposed to read it first, but I didn't. Okay, these little glassine bags are so fun. I use them a lot in my journals, and I also use them in my other paper kind of crafts like tuck spots and I don't know, different things. I use them in my little Altoid journals as well because they're just perfect size. So she carries these. Here's some white. Looks like sari silk and another kind of a silk or chiffon, stripped and fringed. So looks like there's about maybe a yard and a half, maybe. So that's good. Pattern paper. I'm just gonna leave that right there. And these are the bigger size glassines. And let's see. They are 5.5 by 8.25. Inside this one are some white. Oh, excuse me. The wind's been blowing. It's been raining. The wind's been blowing all this dirt and dust and smoke around. So allergies are acting up. Gold, little gold metallic doilies. These are really cute. They're nice and thick. And these are really pretty paper doilies, white. They have embossing on in the middle, as well as the scallops. And again, you can find these in her shop. And these little ones looks like they are 3.5 diameter, and the bigger ones are almost 5-inch diameter. I'm using a yardstick because I didn't bring my ruler in here. I'm out here in the living room where there's a lot of light because there's a big window. So Sorry if you are wondering what I'm using off to the side. Okay, all right. Oh, she has this taped. Oh my goodness. These are the tiniest little envelopes. I hope I'm in frame. I'm going to check real quick to make sure that I'm showing you things while I'm in frame. Okay, looks like I might need to scoot my hands back a little bit more so you guys can see. So when I get done, I'll show everything again just to make sure you got to see it all. Okay, so these are little bitty envelopes, and they have a little bitty piece of paper that you can write inside them. And it looks like there's 3, 4, 5. So I imagine that you can get 5 or 10. I'm not sure. They're almost 2 inches by 1 1/4. Tiny, tiny. These make great little secret spots or tuck spots in the journals. So there's those. This is a lace. Well, okay. Venetian lace butterfly, and it's not quite white. I think it's like a light ivory color. So this applique, these make really good embellishments for your journals. Also, you can use them to add to any kind of a fabric collage, or just use them on your page, or I like to sometimes use stuff like this in my shabby tattered flowers and stuff. These can be dyed. They accept dye really well, so these are a good thing to have. Here are some more of the little glassine bags, and these bags are 2 inches by 4. So these are nice. You can fit a nice size tag, well, a narrow but a tall tag in these. And in this glassine bag are some ivory flower appliques. These are fun. She's got a lot of different colors in there in the store, and different sizes too of these types of things. So be sure and check them out. These are great little additions as well. Here is some white. Feels like felt. It's felted on one side, and then feels like a pellon or something on the back side. But it's a trim, and you can use it as a trim, or you could even maybe divide up the flowers and use them in something. You can use it as a belly band, a side tuck spot, whatever you want to use it for. And these are the cutest little envelopes that are also glassine. I think they're envelopes. Yeah, here they are. This is how you open them. And they are 1 3/4 by 3 inches. Cute. Very, very cute. These are great too for pockets and tuck spots. Even on tags, even if you want to put them on tags, both of these would fit on the back of a tag. And here is some gold and ivory eyelash trim. pretty. It's really sparkly. The gold is metallic. And some cream colored or ivory colored seam binding. I use this a lot on the fabric embellishments, and I also use the seam binding a lot of times to tie my book. Or I also use them too in tassels. And you can crumple this up, you just get it wet and you wad it all up and you just let it dry in a heap, and when it dries it'll be wrinkled. This is a bag full of gold small safety pins. These are quilting pins, I believe. They're bigger and sturdier. They kind of look like old-fashioned diaper pins too. And then the bulb pins, these are my favorite, the little bulb pins, and there's some black and silver colored and also like a bronze color. I use these all the time. I use them in my tags, I use them in my journals. I apologize, my dog is barking at the mailman. She doesn't like anybody coming down the street without her permission. So, that is Duchess, and if you watch my videos at all on YouTube or even on Facebook, you will hear her, I guarantee, at least once. She loves to bark. She's a rescue dog that we got a few years ago. She's a Kelpie, Australian Kelpie Shepherd, and she is something else. Okay, this is a McCall's pattern. Ooh, cute, cute, fancy schmancy dresses. 69 cents. They don't make patterns like that little of money anymore. Here's some more of the felted trim, and it's in red. Cute. Those will be cute Valentines. And some more pattern tissue, which I use a lot, especially in my paper bag journals. And then these make good pages as well, or pockets, or envelopes. These instructions that come along in the patterns, I like them as well. And this also would make a good pocket, or a page in your signature and then a pocket, just similar to like when you use paper bags. So there that is. So let me show you pattern, a vintage pattern with the stuffings, the paper instructions, as well as the different pieces of pattern. Red felted flower trim, various bulb pins and safety pins, and a couple of quilting pins. Gold metallic and cream color eyelash trim. White felted flower trim. Ivory colored seam binding. There's like one, two, oh, the little flowers, the ivory flower clusters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like about 9, maybe 10, I'm not sure. Yeah, 10. 10 little glassine envelopes. There's 5 of these little paper envelopes, the teeny tiny ones. And I think there's 5 of the glassine envelopes. These are bags. I'm sorry if I said envelopes. These are bags. These are envelopes. Butterfly Venetian lace applique. 2 of the bigger glassine paper bags. 5 white doilies, 3 metallic, sorry silk, and ruffle tickets. Oh, and chocolate. So I will be doing a project or two with these in the next week or so. So stay tuned, and I will post when I'm gonna have it. Thanks, bye. Have a nice day.